Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. So, welcome back. Today, we are going to start chapter number 1 of class 3. Okay, students? Now, so open your book, chapter number 1, that is Know Your Computer. And today, we are going to learn everything about computer. So, what is a computer? So, computer is an electronic machine, okay, that takes instructions given by the user, processes it and give the desired result as an output. Okay, so what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. What does it do? It takes instructions given by the user, processes it, and then it gives us the desired result. Okay, and that result we call it as output. Okay, student. Next is it can do many different tasks at a very fast speed. Okay, it can do different tasks at a very fast speed. Okay, students. So what are the parts of computer? So computer has mainly two parts. What are these parts? First is hardware and second is software. So hardware, what is hardware? All the physical parts that can be touched and are attached to the computer are called hardware. Okay, so all the physical parts means the objects which we can touch and feel. So all the physical parts that can be touched and they are attached to the computer. Okay, so they are called hardware. And mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, speaker, etc. are the examples of hardware. Okay, students. Second part of the computer is software. So what is the software? Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer how to do a particular task. Okay, so all the set of instructions that tells the computer that how to do a task will be instructed by the software. Okay, so software is a set of instructions. Okay, the programs like MS Paint, Notepad, Calculator, WordPad, these are the examples of software. Okay, students. So, MS Paint, Notepad, Calculator, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, all these are software programs which are already installed in our computers, and some software programs we have to install in our computer. Okay, those are additional one. Okay. So what are the characteristics of a computer? A computer is a very useful machine. It is used in various fields due to its characteristics. Okay, so we must know the characteristics of a computer. Okay, students, some of the characteristics of the computer are listed below. Okay, so what is the first characteristic? First is accuracy and reliability. A computer is a machine that gives the accurate results. Okay, कंप्यूटर एक ऐसी मशीन है जो हमें एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट देती है. ओके, हेंस इट इज अ रिलायबल मशीन. रिलायबल यानी कि जिस मशीन पर विश्वास किया जा सके, तो ये हमें एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट देती है विद 100% इफिशियंसी. तो इसीलिए ये जो मशीन है कंप्यूटर, ये रिलायबल है. हम इस मशीन पर विश्वास कर सकते हैं. ओके, इट नेवर मेक्स एनी मिस्टेक. ये कभी भी कोई भी मिस्टेक नहीं करती है अनलेस द डेटा एंटर्ड इज इनकरेक्ट. तब तक ही मिस्टेक नहीं करेगी जब तक आपके द्वारा एज ए यूजर डेटा इनकरेक्टली मेंशन नहीं हुआ होगा. ठीक है, तो जब तक आपके द्वारा डेटा इनकरेक्ट नहीं एंटर किया जाएगा तब तक ये हमें गलत रिजल्ट यानी कि इनकरेक्ट रिजल्ट नहीं देगी. ओके, सो वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड टू गिव इट अ राइट आउटपुट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट इज अ कंप्यूटर स्टोरेज. ओके, so storage is the next characteristic. Okay students, a computer is a machine that can store large amount of data. So what is a computer? So a computer is a machine that can store large amount of data. Okay, and this data can be retrieved anytime in future whenever it is required. So computer के अंदर हम अपना डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं, सेव कर सकते हैं, और इन फ्यूचर हमें कभी भी उस डेटा को वापस देखने की जरूरत हो या फिर हमें उस डेटा को वापस बाहर निकालने की पेन ड्राइव में चाहिए या फिर किसी और स्टोरेज डिवाइस में स्टोर करने की जरूरत होगी, तो वी कैन retrieve that data for the future use. Okay students, so this is the second characteristics of a computer, that is storage. And your third characteristic is speed. So what is a speed? A computer is an electronic machine, so it has a fast working speed. Okay, so ये जो कंप्यूटर है ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है और इसके पास जो स्पीड है इट हैज अ फास्ट वर्किंग स्पीड. ओके, इट कैन डू मिलियंस ऑफ अ टास्क इन अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स. ये मात्र कुछ सेकेंड्स में मिलियंस ऑफ टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकती है ये मशीन, बिकॉज इट इज अ मल्टीटास्किंग मशीन. ओके, विच कैन परफॉर्म मल्टीपल टास्क all together and can give us the output within seconds. Okay, it has a very high speed, and this is a good characteristic when we talk about World Wide Web. Okay, when we search anything on the computer on the www.com, that is World Wide Web, we get our results within the seconds. Okay students, and next characteristic is versatility. Okay, so a computer is a versatile device. How this device is versatile? It can perform many tasks conveniently. Versatile किसे कहते हैं? जो एक समय पर बहुत सारे काम बहुत ही अच्छे से कर सकता हो. तो कंप्यूटर इज अ वर्सेटाइल मशीन. इट कैन परफॉर्म मेनी टास्क कन्वीनियंटली. ओके, इट कैन ऑल्सो परफॉर्म अ सिमिलर टास्क एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. ओके, आप एक ही टास्क को कितनी भी बार कंप्यूटर को इंस्ट्रक्शन दे सकते हैं परफॉर्म करने के लिए, एंड इट नेवर गेट्स टायर्ड और बोर्ड. ओके, सो एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग वी गेट टायर्ड आफ्टर डूइंग आवर वर्क. ओके, we get tired after working for hours, but computer is a machine that can work for 24 into 7 hours. Okay students, next is, so these are the characteristics of the computer. Next is working process of computers. So a computer works on input, process and output cycle. Okay, so input, with the help of input devices, the user inputs the data into the computer. Okay, so with the help of input devices की help से, input devices की मदद से जो user कौन है? मैं हूँ. तो me as a user can give the input, give the data into the computer. Okay students, as a input. And what is the process? A computer takes the data and processes it. Okay, computer data को लेता है जो input किया जाता है और फिर उसे प्रोसेस करता है with the help of CPU. Why CPU? Because CPU is the brain of computer and it is the central processing unit. Each and every task on the computer is controlled by the CPU. Okay students, it changes it into machine language to help the computer to process the data. Okay, so first of all, what does the CPU do? It changes the data into machine language. So why into machine language? Because machine language is a language of computer that computer understands. Okay, which is in the binary form. What is the binary form? Every data when it is encrypted in the 0 and 1s, that is called the machine language. So computer has a programming language, that is machine language. So first of all, whatever data we give as an input to the computer, it changes it into the machine language to help the computer to process the data. Okay, later the result is converted back to the input language. Okay, when we get our output, we get the output in our own language, in the language we have entered the input. Okay, so output, after the processing, the result is displayed on the output devices. Okay, so after the processing, so whatever be the result is displayed on the output devices, hence the user gets the desired result. Okay, उसके बाद हमें अपना desired result मिल जाता है processing के बाद. Okay students, so this is how a computer performs the input, processing and output cycle. So here is an example given. If we write on the keyboard 7, 8, star. So we have given the input as 7, 8 and star. Now CPU will process the data, that is 7 into 8, that is 7 multiplied by 8. So this is the processing performed by the CPU part. Okay, performed by the CPU. And next, monitor. So monitor will give us the desired result. So what will be our desired result? 7 into 8 is 56. Okay students, next is Uses of computer. So what are the uses of computer? A computer can do many things. Okay, computer बहुत सारी टास्क परफॉर्म कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी कैन यूज अ कंप्यूटर टू लिसन टू म्यूजिक. ओके, हम सभी कंप्यूटर से म्यूजिक सुन सकते हैं. हम वी कैन वॉच मूवीज. ओके, and create documents, play games, etc. Okay, students, a computer is not like other electronic devices which only do one thing like DVD players, digital cameras, stereos, etc. Okay, so computer is not like electronic devices. Why? Because other electronic devices do the specific work. Okay, they do the specific work or they do the one work at a time. So such as DVD players will only play the DVD at a time. Digital cameras were made to click pictures, okay, and add graphics to the pictures. But a computer can do multiple tasks at one time, and we can do many things with the help of computer. Okay, students. So what are the tasks we can do with the help of computer? So creating documents. First important task is creating documents. A computer is used to create documents like letters, invitations, etc. So जो computer है वो किस लिए use होता है? It is used to create documents. Documents create करने के लिए use होता है. कैसे डॉक्यूमेंट्स? जैसे कि लेटर्स हो गए, इन्विटेशंस हो गए, या फिर आपको कोई पैराग्राफ लिखना है. ओके, सो कंप्यूटर इज यूज टू क्रिएट डॉक्यूमेंट्स. सेकेंड यूज इज कैलकुलेटिंग. we can use we can use computer to do calculations. A computer is used to do millions of calculations. Okay, students, with the help of computer we can do millions of calculations. Usually students do their mathematical work with the help of computers. All the big calculations, complex calculations are taken out with the help of computer. Okay, students, next is playing games. A computer is used to play various games. With the help of computer we can play games. Some games are installed in the computer, some games are already being installed in the computer, and we can install more games from the internet. Okay, so with the help of internet, students, you can download more games. Okay, students, next is playing media. So what is playing media? A computer is used to play songs or movies. Okay, we can hear audio files and watch video files. Okay, so with the help of computer we can play music, we can watch movies, and we can hear audio files and watch video files. Okay, students. Now next important use is access internet. A computer is used to access internet. Okay, with the help of computer we can access internet, and we can do many things using the internet, like learning new things, finding information. So internet is a very useful thing, and internet can be accessed only by computer. Okay, students. So with the help of internet we can do multiple things, like we can learn new things with the help of internet, we can find information, and we can find information, etc. We can also send emails and instant messages on the computer. Okay, so with the help of computer we can communicate to our friends, to our family. Okay, we can send messages or receive emails and send emails. Okay, students, next important use of the computer is buying and selling. So with the help of computer, a computer is used to buy and sell various products. Okay, so this computer device is used to buy and sell various products, like, okay, buy and sell various products and services using internet through online sites. Okay, so on internet there are various online shopping websites. Okay, like eBay, Home Shop 18, OLX, Amazon. So these are the websites which are on the internet, and internet can be accessed by computer. So with the help of computer we can buy or sell any products or services. Okay, students, so here we are done with the reading and understanding part of this chapter. Now we will do the backup menu, that is the quick recap, the most important points of this chapter. Okay, students, so first point is computer is an electronic machine that takes the instructions given by the user, then it processes it and gives the desired result as an output. Okay, students. Next is all the physical parts that can be touched are attached to the computer are called hardware. Okay, so all the physical parts that can be touched and they are also attached to the computer, so they are called hardware. The set of instructions that tell the computer what to do are known as computer software. Okay, so what is a computer software? Computer software is a set of instructions that tells the computer that what to do. Okay, it gives the instructions to the computer. A computer is an electronic machine, so it has a fast working machine. Okay, fast working speed. A computer works on input, process, output cycle. Okay, students, a computer is used to create documents like letters, invitations, etc. So with the help of computer we can do many things, and one of the things is we can do to create documents like letters, invitations, etc. So students, now you are done with a quick recap. That is the backup menu of this chapter. Okay, students, we will meet in the next video with a new chapter. Okay, till then, keep revising, keep learning. All the best, students. Thank you.